Hi everyone, I am Marie and welcome to my studio. Today I am making a birthday card. This birthday card I made with the Simon Says Stamp Sunflower Garden stamp set, and this stamp set was included in the September card kit. I am starting here with the Distress ink and the color is a mustard seed. So when I finished the yellow, I went on with the greens. I have three different greens, and those are the twisted citron, rustic, wilderness, and mowed. Then the center of the flowers, the orange, I use spiced marmalade. Then I wanted a kind of a background, so I used the salty ocean to give it a light blue background. After it was dried, I wanted to give some dimension to the sunflowers, so I used the liquid drops. The color is brass, and this one is also included in the September card kit. So if you like this kind of videos, I have a new channel that is for all kinds of arts that I do. Um, So watercolor, Copic markers, and card making. If you like that, please visit my other channel. It's brand new. I need the subscribers. So it's called Marie M Pink Art, and I will be linking it down below. So I hope that you like it. So this cardstock, I cut it in half, as you can see, and this is 7 3/4 by 2 3/4. Then I have the yellow cardstock that is 3 1/4 by 8 1/4, and the base, the card base, is 3 1/2 by 8 1/2. And for the sentiment, I used the die cut, the Happy Birthday die cut, that is also included in the September card kit. I cut white twice and one with the yellow, and I just offset it a little bit to make a little bit of a shadow and glue it on the card. I also used the stickers that is also included in the card kit for the other card, and I just uh, used the sticker on a piece of cardstock, and then I glue the card together. So here you see me making an envelope. I made two envelopes, but I'm not going to go into it in detail right now because otherwise the video is going to be just too long. If you want a tutorial on how to make these envelopes, please let me know and I will gladly make a video for you. Thanks for watching and hope to see you at my other channel. Till next time, bless you. Bye.